What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Shiba here. Today is a wig review, and this wig is another one from Outre 13X6 hairline, and this is Karina.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
So this is a straight unit from Outre in the Perfect hairline, and it looks like really good, you guys. Like, I'm impressed. I love the whole line so far. So this is another 13x6 hairline, so you can change the part, do what you want. Half up, half downs, braids, whatever you want to do to the top. You have so much parting space, 6 inches going back. So you can do a lot with this, and I think it helps it to look more natural. It is a very natural density, like, as well. It does tangle a little bit, as you can see here, but I expect that from straight units, so I'm not surprised. And it's not terrible, but it is there. It is synthetic, so you know, you should just expect that. This is what the back looks like. I hope it looks good, because I can't really see. Obviously I can't see. I'm facing the wall. As far as cap construction, the hairline is super natural, and it's like very gradient, so it goes back on you. So you can either do a bald cap method or something like that, or a fake scalp, or you can just not wear a cap at all with these. It does have 2 combs in the front, It does have a comb in the back, and it does have the elastic band, which I think was awesome, so you can make it glueless. And then it also has the adjustable straps as well. I would classify this wig as big head friendly. It's sitting properly on my head, but there's still room, like if I had a bigger head, for it to stretch out. So it's definitely big head friendly for those who are worried about that. I have on Karina in the color 1B, so if you're wondering this is like a 1 or 1B, it's a 1B. And this wig did come with baby hair. You can either push back, cut off, or do something with. I chose just a little bit because I just, with these hairlines look great, but I still feel like with the fact that I can't really manipulate them like I do a virgin hair lace frontal, I still like to add just a little bit of baby hair to make it not so, you know, just straight across. The hair feels and looks really natural, like just the wig as a whole looks really natural, and I really like that because it makes it now harder for people to guess whether or not you're wearing a synthetic wig or a real wig. I wouldn't mind like a few layers in the front, like long layers, so you can move the part around still and everything, but you know, you can always go and add your own. You just cut down words and you can add your own layers and stuff like that, but I think it'd be super cute if it has some layers. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so don't go above that or your hair will melt because it is still synthetic. But it is heat safe. You can put a flat iron, your curling line, or anything to it as long as you keep it up to 400 degrees. Length is about, I would say, 20 inches or so, which is my favorite length to get my wigs in because like it's just it's long enough to where I can do certain styles with it and it still kind of sit past my shoulders, like curls and stuff like that. But it's not super long. I guess I've just hit that age now where I don't really love a ton of inches anymore. Like 20 inches my max. I could do 22, but I feel like between 22 and 20, like what's the point? But I really love the length of this unit. It's like long, but not too long. Overall, just the Outre Perfect Hairline line in general is amazing. Like these are really good quality looking units, and it's worth paying a little extra for because you know they're a little extra than the regular like lace part units and stuff like that, but it's worth it. You get a 6-inch hairline, all this parting space, super natural, density looks natural, the hair grade is very natural. Like you're not gonna get a better dupe going on than these new wigs with these perfect hairlines and natural hairlines and things like that. So overall, I definitely think this is worth the purchase. If you want to pick this up, shout out to Samsbeauty for sending this to me. It will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.